Selling on Amazon can be broken down into 4 steps. Step 1. Create an Amazon Seller Central account on sell.amazon.com. Step 2. List products for sale. Step 3. Fulfill customer orders and provide outstanding customer service. Step 4. Receive payments from your sales proceeds and maintain your account health. Let's go over these 4 steps in a little more detail. Step 1. Create an Amazon Seller Central account. Before you register for an account with Amazon, choose between professional or individual selling plan. Confused on which plan is right for your business? There are a few important differences between the 2 plans. Let's compare. Professional accounts carry a flat monthly subscription fee of $39.99, no matter how many items you sell. This type of account makes sense if you're planning to sell a lot of items. An individual account is a better choice if you only plan to make a few sales each month. Instead of a flat monthly subscription fee, you pay a per item fee of 99 cents for every item you sell. Both individual and professional seller accounts are eligible for FBA service. Now let's take a look at the features which are only available for professional selling account. Customized shipping rates, bulk listing tools, advertising, deals and coupons, automated pricing tools, Amazon Selling Coach, marketplace web services, and much more. Now let's look at step 2, list products. You can list a product to sell on Amazon in less than 5 minutes. Here's how. Amazon's product listing allows sellers to match an existing listing if someone is already selling the same product, or create a new listing if you are the first or only seller. If you are reselling products already present in Amazon's catalog, this can be a fast way to add selection to your account. What if my selection doesn't match the existing offers? If you are selling your own brand, private label, or bringing new product selections to a category, you'll want to create a new detail page on Amazon. To create a new listing, you will need a product identifier, also known as a barcode. Commonly used identifier terms include UPC, GTN, EN, or ISBN. Not exactly sure what a barcode is? Look for barcodes on some of your favorite items, or watch what a clerk scans to get a price in a store. Look at the numbers printed below the barcode. A 12-digit number is a UPC, or a 13-digit number is an EN. If the products you intend to sell do not have a barcode, apply for a GTN exemption. You can then add the selection without the need for barcode numbers. Add listings to your account one by one using the Add a Product option. Add bulk inventory all at once by using the Add Products via Upload option. Special listing options cater to the unique demands of handmade and customizable listing sellers. Step 3. Fulfill orders and provide outstanding customer service. Now that your product listings are complete, choose how to best fulfill orders. FBA program gives sellers the opportunity to use Amazon's world-class shipping, logistics, and customer service partnerships to benefit their buyers. Sellers using FBA send their products to Amazon's fulfillment centers. We take care of packaging, shipping, returns, and customer service issues. Products are Prime-enabled with the Prime badge logo. Sellers that prefer to do their own or merchant-fulfilled shipping are responsible for packages being shipped and delivered on time, customer service, and returns. Step 4. Receive payments from your sales proceeds. Amazon pays you through an automatic clearinghouse payment to your bank account every 2 weeks on eligible sales proceeds. To determine sales proceeds and profitability, sellers should become familiar with Amazon's fee schedule. On your Seller Central homepage, type in Selling on Amazon fee schedule in the search bar. This will direct you to the Help page. The Help page lists all fees related to selling on Amazon. Lastly, we recommend you to visit Account Health under the Performance tab on Seller Central to regularly monitor your performance as a seller. This wraps up how selling on Amazon works. Thank you and happy selling!